This little robin rules the sky. Gliding free, wings perfect, nothing can stop it. But in one split second, disaster. A brutal crash shatters its wing. Now it's trapped on the ground. Can't fly, can't escape. One broken bone could mean the end. Yet deep inside, something incredible begins. Blood vessels rush to the fracture. Cells wake up. Day by day, new bone bridges the break. Old feathers fall, perfect new ones grow. And then, it flies again. A hidden miracle, proof that even the worst injury can heal.